to Make It Happen Monday. Today, I'm going to give you a powerful weight loss tip. In fact, this may be the most powerful weight loss tip you get over the course of your entire life. And that is that when it comes to satisfying the human appetite, volume actually trumps calories. You say, what do you mean by that? Believe it or not, your body wants a certain volume or weight of food before it even desires a certain number of calories of food. That's what we mean that volume trumps calories. Let me state it another way. Until your body's volume needs from food have been satisfied, your appetite is going to stay in the on position, regardless of how many calories you've consumed. All right, so you think, okay, volume trumps calories. The name of the game is finding foods that have lots of volume, but yet don't have that many calories. So there's only two things in food that can impart volume or weight without giving calories: fiber and water. What are the foods that have the most fiber and water and the least number of calories? Non-starchy vegetables. Here's a simple example of the physics here, right? You can see this for yourself. On this plate is 100 calories of broccoli. 100 calories of broccoli right here. On this plate is 100 calories of one of America's favorite types of chips. And as we all know, okay, look at the difference. Lots more volume, lots more weight here. We've got fiber and water here. And it's typical in many processed foods, they typically don't have any fiber or water, which is one reason why they're so fattening. And the food industry hates fiber and water because they know they both help you eat less and they both sort of slow you down in how much you eat. Anyway, and have you ever known someone that only ate that many of these chips? No, everyone, yeah, you can't not eat just that many. You always want more. Example number 2, Oreos. And look at that. If I use the double stuffed would probably be like that. How many calories? You know, same calories, a lot more satisfying right here. Big, we call these big yet skinny foods. Another one of America's favorites, mac and cheese. Which one is going to fill you up better? Literally fill you up. I'm just gonna read right from my Way Less for Life book because I've covered this strategy. Pump up the volume. Bottom line, eating non-starchy veggies comes with a built-in guarantee. The more you eat them, the healthier and the leaner you will be. Thank you.